Red here, coming to you from A Biker's Garage, 325 North Highway 62 in Avoca, just 127 turns away from Eureka Springs. Bringing up the subject of fluids. Most everyone thinks about changing the oil in their motorcycles. They understand how important that is to keep the engines and transmissions running properly. And oil is frequently a subject that we get calls on and get lined up for, and love taking care of that for our wide range of customers. One of the other fluids that gets overlooked sometimes is the hydraulic fluid. You're going, what? Hydraulic fluid in my motorcycle, Red? What are you talking about? Well, the brake system technically is a hydraulic device. You use a master cylinder up on your handlebars, creates pressure, or down by your foot, and that's what drives the calipers into the pistons into your brake calipers. That also, on a lot of newer bikes, is how the clutch is operated. You have a hydraulic clutch. And what do you need to do? You need to have brake fluid put into both of those hydraulic systems. Brake fluid lasts about 2 years, absorbs moisture, breaks down, starts to contaminate the things that it's in contact with. So just like here on this motorcycle, you can see, well, there is a reservoir for the brakes. And on the opposite side, there's another reservoir there that is for the clutch. Those things need to have that hydraulic fluid replaced regularly. If you haven't done it in the last couple of years, give us a call. We'll help get that squared away for you. Try to help keep your bike in tip-top running condition. All the best. 325 North Highway 62, A Biker's Garage in Avoca.